Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, my groupmates and I will present about P2 planning about engineering e-faculty system, EFS. Next. This is the table of the content. First, we have schedules, budgets, resources, and last one is staffing. Next. This is our network information about engineering e-faculty system. First, we have this activity, description, and also preceding activity. For description, first, we have to recruit members first. Second, assign position and task. Third, brainstorming project. Then, decision on the making of the EFS, which is engineering e-faculty system. Next, start of development. No, I'm not done yet. Back. Next, develop pattern request, test website, and also last one is final presentation and also our website launching. Next. So this is our AON about e-faculty system. I have also highlight the critical path. As you can see, A to C to E to H. As we know, critical path is the longest path. It's the longest path in the process. Next. So this is schedules. So for the name, it is the same with the description. For the duration for recruit members, 3 days. We start at 5th of April until 7 April 2023. Second, assign position and also task. It take 4 days, which is starting at 7 April 2023 and finish at 10 April 2023. Third, brainstorming project. The duration is 7 days. Start at 10th of May and finish at 17 May 2023. Next, decision on the making of the EFS. The duration is 5 days. Start at 17 May until 24 May. Start of development takes 14 days and start at 24 May until 8 June. Next, you have develop pattern request. It takes 4 days. Start at 8 June until 11 June. And next, test website. It takes 7 days. Start at 11 June and finish at 18 June. And the final one is final presentation and website launching, which only take 1 day, which is only 18 June. So that's all for me. I will pass to the next one.
Hi, my name is Maria Batisha. My mention number is 216552. And for the risk background structure, engineering faculty system is divided into 3 risk breakdown structure, which is the first one is technical and the second one is external and the third one is project management. For the technical, the problems that we have observed is server error, compatibility issues, scalability challenges. And for the external, we observe that web security threats, user adoption and acceptance, and for the project management, it has cost estimating, requirement, and stakeholder involvement. For the technical, the server, maybe for this our system, we may have problems by technical problems, which is the first one is the server may be encounter server error or server down due to heavy traffic. The faculty management system may need to run on various website browser, operating system, and device, and increasing the number of user and data will cause the slow response time and system crash. For the external, security breaches, data leaks, and privacy violation, users such as teachers and administrators, students may face resistance or difficulties in adapting to the new system. For the project management, the problems that may encountered by us is exceed the estimated cost, insufficiently defined and changing requirement, and insufficient involvement and engagement from key stakeholders such as the faculty administrator and lecturer and student. That's all for me. I will pass to Zafran.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zafran bin Yunus and my matrix number is 215633. So today we are going to talk about budgets, and firstly I will talk about time phase work package budget resources. So our work package description is services, and our deliverable is e-faculty system design. So the responsible organization is web designer, and the work package duration is 5 weeks, which is from week 5 until week 10. So our project is UPM e-faculty systems, and for this first work package ID is work package ID number 1. Our total resource cost is around 3,000 because we need to pay our web designer to design a website for us, and it will cost around 3,000. So we need to pay 3,000 to the web designer to get the design for our website. Okay, next. Okay, second is about our license, which is cost 2 weeks from week 11 until week 12. So the responsible organization is also the web designer, which he will get the license for our website, and he will make sure we will get a configured website. And the cost for the license is estimated is 200 ringgit. And next, lastly, is about our running website, which will conduct by our web developer, which the web developer will settle about the coding about the website and also become the technical about the project, about the website. When if there is any problem, he will check and maybe repair it. So for the cost is 45,000, which we managed to pay it yearly, monthly, and the cost 45,000 is his salary for a year. Next. So as you can see, for our total cost for initiation phase, which is identify current problems and survey web designer and developer. For this phase, we don't need any budget because we just identify the problems and survey web designer and developer by ourselves. Next, the planning phase, which is to find our website design and also develop technical design. So for the website design, which is cost 3,000 ringgit, as I said before, and also to get a configured site, which is also from the web designer, which we pay. For executing phase, to get our activated site, which is already licensed to post our website into internet. So the cost will be 200 ringgit. And lastly, the closing phase, which is 45,000 ringgit, which is the salary of the web developer. Also, advertising is just from us, so there will be no budget given. We just do the advertising by ourselves. That's all.
Okay, for staffing, we have divided some tasks into the 5 category. The first one is for project management. The task is recruit members, assign position and task, brainstorming project. And it requires 3 project managers to handle this task. And for the design, we have developed technical design, configured site design and layout, and design analysis, which require project manager for project manager. And for the construct, the task is develop and activate site, URL hosting and configure, which requires 6 project manager. And for the testing, we need to test website, which require 3 project manager. And for the last one, for the marketing, we need to do documentation, which involve 9 project manager. So this is the table, staffing table, which is from 0 to 2 days. We require 1% to recruit members, and from 3 to 5 days for the we need 2% to assign position and task. From 3 to 10, we need 3% to brainstorming project, and from 7 to 12, we need 4% to decision making, and from 10 to 24 days, we need 4% to start off the development, and from 10 to 14 days, we need 2% to test website, and from 12 to 19, we need 4% to test the website, and from 24 to 25, we need 9% for final presentation and launching website. Next.
Okay, so for this table, the first table is about the number of required person, which is already told by Nurin Batrisha just now. So for the first until third week is only involve 1%, and fourth and fifth week it involve 5%, 7 and 6 week involve 3%, and week 8 until 10 involve 7%, 11 until 14 10%, 15 until 20 involve 8%, 20 until 24 involve only 4%, and lastly 25 is involve 9%. And the second table, as you can see down, is a smooth number of required person, which is already being changed, so it will be smooth. I think that's all from us. Next. Thank you for your attention.